Hello everyone, this is Mark with For You Home. Here at a home inspection, and I'm checking out the panel. Now, when we look at the panel, one of the things we look at are grounding components. So the main grounding for this panel, you can see right at the top here. So I followed this particular wire all the way into the next room. Now, a lot of times these ground wires are connected to the cold water piping or a ground rod. This particular one, again, followed into this room, as you can see here. Came over to the far corner, and what do we have here? We have a ground wire that's not properly grounded. In fact, it's not connected to anything, and this is a shock hazard. So for this particular one, I'm recommending that a licensed electrician come in and connect the ground wire properly. And this is one of the many things that For You Home will check for you. Take care.